Hi, I'm Alex, I'm a Biktrix mechanic, and today we will be assembling a Swift. To start, you can take a pair of side cutters and cut open the box. Inside the box, you'll find the toolkit with an Allen multi-tool and a 15mm wrench, the pedals, and the charger. Now we can take the bike out of the box. Now we can remove the packaging. The next step is to install the handlebars. To start, you can take the protective cover off and put the handlebar in past the minimum insertion point. When they're at the desired height, you can tighten with the 6mm Allen. Before you tighten all the way, make sure the handlebars are in line with the fork. To adjust the angle of the handlebars, you can loosen these 4 stem bolts and move them up and down. Then you can tighten the bolts in a star pattern. Now we can install the pedals. For this step, you can use the included 15mm wrench, and also note each pedal is labeled right and left, as the left pedal is reverse thread. We recommend that you apply a little bit of grease to the threads so the pedal doesn't seize. Now you can thread the pedal in towards the handlebars. And you can fully tighten the pedal with the wrench. Now we can do the same to the left. Now that your bike is fully assembled, it's ready to ride. If you have any questions, visit the support page on our website and enjoy your new e-bike.